If you are a fitness creator within the 10k followers, there are 3 simple user products you can launch in just 7 days. No tech, no fluff, and no XKK. You don't need another YouTube video, 10 YouTube video like online trade. You are not trying to be a full-time entrepreneur. You are a coach, you are a trainer who just wants to make some salary and money from your company. But everything out there feels like overkill. Build a funnel, record 30 videos, learn Punjabi, and maybe you will make us. Here's what I have learned. I'll take later monetize you under 10k salary. Simple wins, speed wins, and clarity. Let me show you 3 digital products you can create this week even for not telling. And these are not giant 12 module courses. These are plug and play digital tools people actually want, especially one smaller beta. Why? Because they relate to you. Because they solve one specific problem very quick. And you can try them anywhere from $5 to $15. Perfect for getting your first sale without scaring okay off. Product 1. Workout template packs. What it is? A simple visual PDF or Google Sheet with 3 to 5 weekly training program. And you might have seen them also in some fitness YouTuber. I won't take the name, but you have seen them. Think it like this: push-pull leg split for beginners or 4-week calisthenics program. And why it works? Because your audience doesn't want to check. They want to download, train and trade just like you to get what you have. And how can you build it fast? It's very simple. Feed ChatGPT or splits, drop them into Canva, Google Docs, or export it as a Pico. Done. You now have a $7 product and you can sell it multiple times. Product 2. 7-day PDF challenge. You might have also seen them. What it is a short actionable challenge with only simple daily workouts, mindset tasks, nutrition tips, and some water reminders. You might have seen them like 75-day challenge, 75-hour challenge, 7-day no sugar reset, 7-day food and cardio burn for track level. There are many examples also. And why it works? Because it challenges your audience, and challenge need exciting, limited and shared. They are working for email list growth and do tickets say how to build it fast. Let's pick one up front, feed it to ChatGPT, then create a daily content planner and design it with Canva as a PDF. Boom. Ready in just 2 hours. Product 3. Notion Meet Planner or Habit Tracker. You might have also seen some solo leveling task planners nowadays whose by 90k soda. So it is a customizable Notion template for planning needs, learning methods or struggling to headaches. And why it works? Because Notion is hot right now. It is in trend. And the audience of future tools that fit premium and are trend. And also they will be easy to use. So how can you build it fast? Use a pre-Notion layout, customize it with your branding or fitness chrome, and share the link to the paywall via Gumroad.pay, or you can use Walk nowadays. It's also in trend. And now you have got $9 to $27 research assessment that runs itself without you even monitoring it. This is the exact kind of stuff we help creators build inside my team, Gonchi. We take what you already know, run it through smart AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and turn it into a clean and sellable products with a SQL without tech headaches, F40 or bills. And if you want to launch one of these fast, comment launch and I will help you build a product for free. Just do the testimonial after. And we don't need a boost for life. We just need a product people can carry us to. Let's get it to.